Oh yeah, have you beaten Duststorm?
No.
Dude, you should. It's such a good easy extreme.
You should have recommended me that when I was playing Easy Extremes, bro.
Dude, honestly, I'm sure you could probably knock it out in like half an hour. I did
Nah,
it.
bro. I'm not built like that.
Bro, I beat it in 1 hour. I'm sure you could.
No, bro.
You beat the list demon.
Damn, bro. I fucking suck today. Fuck.
What? Okay. Sure. What?